So this is hummus. This is obviously smoked salmon with capers, roasted artichoke hearts, marinated feta. This is artichoke heart tabbouleh and mortadella. Except you have street corn and mushrooms. Nice. And some olives or some kind of salad. Black bean salad.
Yeah, the black bean and lima bean salad.
Good.
Very nice.
That was really unbelievable. Like at the end of the meal, Harvey's like, you should take some salmon and stick it in one of these buns. And I'm like, wouldn't that be good? And I'm like, let's do it. And it was so good. So,
this is like a mashed potato?
Yeah, that's garlic mashed potatoes. So, butter buns, fried plantains, or maybe bananas. I think they're plantains. And then polenta and roasted garlic mashed potatoes.
These are
garlic steak.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thanks.
My pleasure, sir.
Okay, let's cut this thing open. I'm using the wrong side of the knife. I'm so excited. Picanha, I think it's called. Picanha. And then you take your little thing, grab it.
how you do it?
Yep.
I'll take the picture.
Take a picture of you.
Picture of this. Nice. Wonderful. Thank you.
My pleasure, madam.
What is this one called, Patrick? Picanha?
Yeah. That's right. That's what the dethroned Mario Battaglia used to say. Picture time, baby.
Hey, babe, what are you grabbing this? Look.
Yeah. Rawr. Oh, nice. No, thank you.
I'll try some.
Yes, please. Oh, I need to grab that. And this is the filet, you said?
This is the fradinha.
Oh, fradinha.
Gonna grab everything from this?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Nice.
Awesome.
Thank
Look
you.
at that. This is
What's yours?
this is Parmesan pork,
Oh, nice.
and then this is the.
It's beautifully red.
Yeah.
Like during the break?
Yeah. Oh, like the TAC Theater contacted me. They want to do something with me on the break.
What do they want to do?
We'll see.
Got it.
Thank you.
This is good.
I'll take the other part. Thank you. Awesome. Wow.
Whoa, you got the whole
I got
thing.
the whole thing. Thank you.
Wow, that's a big piece.
This is lamb.
This is great.
But
After eating the Hanatis,
yeah, so this
I was
is
like, wow.
lamb picana chops.
What is your name?
My name?
Yes.
Ivo.
Ivo.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ivo. I'm
Nice to
Patrick,
meet you.
and that is Tara.
Patrick.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Ivo.
Nice to meet you.
You're now my favorite person in this restaurant.
And you're my favorite guest.
Well, thank you kindly.
Perfecto. Excellent.
Patrick is very common in Brazil.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. We're
Patrick,
the
we
saints.
asked- we
We're
asked
saints.
Patrick.
Patrick. See.
Yeah. Patrick is Patrick.
Patrick.
But
How we say, but
That's okay. Patrick.
yeah.
Ireland
Patrick.
is
It's
Padre.
very common.
Bacon wrapped steak.
Yeah, that bacon's good.
Medalhoes.
Oh, yeah.
Bacon.
It's good. Look at that. Very good. Which one is it?
Ribeye.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's perfect. Yeah, this is perfect.
This one.
Oh, that one too. Oh my gosh. Heck. I am your favorite.
What now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
Yay.
That's perfect.
My
That's perfect.
pleasure.
This is Harvey's invention.
I'm gonna finish
The
off the
Harvey
salmon
sandwich.
on the cheesy bun. Yes.
Smoked salmon on cheese bun.
Yes. Good.
Thank you, Harvey.
Harvey's good.
When we first came on Wednesday, and everything was rare. Rare. And so this was like,
This just, I think this was just finished.
yeah. It's still moving.
Sorry, we're like really loving you guys right now. We gotta get on
okay.
with real. I get a picture of you. Are you? So this will take it up for not getting the what you call it?
Alcatra.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so good.
That's my dessert.
Right there. This.
What is?
Oh, that's salty, but sweet with the honey.
I've never put honey on cheese
Yeah,
before.
but this isn't like. This is like
So this was the final tally. We had 8,
It's so delicious.
11 different types of things. Not 10 of them meat. And we only skipped on like 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Oh, and at the end we skipped twice.
Yeah. Chocolate brigadeiro.
Hey. Key lime pie. I'm good.
Okay.
Wait, I didn't get a picture.